Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Patricia and welcome back to Yah-tah lifestyle. And in today's video I am going to make a healthy carrot cake. So if you come a little closer, let me show you what I'm using. One green apple. So this one is a big one. This one is a big one. It's normally 2 small carrots, but I have one big carrot already grated. 3/4 cups of milk. I use plant-based milk, so I use almond milk. And you can use whatever milk you want to use. But because I'm doing healthy stuff, I'm trying to use more like plant-based stuff. You can use whatever sugar you want to use, but I use 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Two eggs already broken and prepared. So let's get into the video. I'm now going to grate the apple. So now apple is already grated and ready. Let's get this ready. A little salt, pour the baking powder, just a touch of salt. It all depends on how you can take salt. I just take just a little touch of salt, whatever I'm doing. Cinnamon. Let's put in the egg, pour in the egg. Make sure you beat them. I should have said beaten eggs. Sorry, pour in your beaten eggs. 2 beaten eggs. Well beaten and just in. Sugar, you can use some other sweetener. I use 1/4 cup of sugar because it's a little sweet and I don't want it to be too sweet. So if you're someone who don't want to use sweetener like sugar and stuff, you can use any other type of sweetener of your choice. Mix well. Here we are. Then you mix in your apple and your carrot. I have to believe it because it is so far up away. I need to get my camera set up somewhere that I can show, you can see exactly what I'm doing every step of the way. But I'm gonna get that sorted out. Here we are. So instead of me using flour, I'm using oatmeal, and my preferred oatmeal was old-fashioned oats. So I just get it powdered out. Alright, let's get to the baking dish. So this is what it looks like, guys. Oh, as you can see. Yeah, you can see. So this is where the butter comes in. I'm going to use a little butter to grease the baking dish. Adjustment. Light. A little better. Alright. It is now ready for the oven. It is now ready to get into the oven. Okay, the oven is now ready and it should bake at 350 degrees. So you can top it off with some maple syrup or something of your choice. I use this honey. So you can just top it off with some honey, some walnuts, and some blueberries. And this is the finished product, guys. So let's go to the taste test. Let me know in the comment. Let me know in the comment what you think about this this recipe, if you like it or not. But it's very healthy, and to me it tastes well. It tastes good. It's very healthy, and to me, I've eaten it before, and I like it. But let's go to a taste test and tell me what you think. Tell me what you think in the comment when you make it, and if you like it, just let me know. It's crunchy. It's not too sweet. And because I'm a nuts fan, the nuts give it that more scrumptious taste. Flavor, good. But one thing though, the apple takes away the carrot flavor. It doesn't taste the carrot flavor, it just tastes natural. If you know, I'm gonna do a carrot cake separate from the apple, with no apple, and then you can taste the difference. You can taste the difference. So the apple takes away the carrot taste, the carrot flavor. But it's good though. It's good. I love it. Let me know in the comment if if there's something that you would like me to prepare. But I will continue to make healthy meal. So see you in my next video. Have a wonderful day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and hit that post notification bell, that when I had videos, you will be notified. Alright, see you in my next video. Have a blessed day.